Hello, hello, beautiful people. This is me. I'm your host, and today I'm gonna share with you how did I achieve this look using the L'Oreal products, including the Age Perfect line. So if you're curious, please keep on watching. First, I'm gonna apply the primer. This one, it's Perfect Magic Base Face Primer. Use under any foundation. Let's see what it claims. Get the perfect skin texture instantly. Wears all day. Smoothness lines. Hides pores, banishes imperfections. The silky lightwear formula glides onto skin, leaving it velvety smooth to the touch. Wonder how much true is in it. The result, a unified matte finish that's flawless. Suitable for all skin types, dermatology tested, not comedogenic. And on the package they give you instructions how you're supposed to apply it. Now primers, they went long way, because at the beginning they used to be, let's say, sticky, and right now there are, you can see how it looks, and right now they're really light. Hey, okay, possible I took too much, but oh well. Whoa, you can already see it. You know what? It does smooth. It does smooth, and as you can see for yourself, it already mattified my skin too. Nice job. So far this product has my approval. By the way, this one is on the market for a long time, and I know it won many awards. I'm gonna follow up with Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation with sunscreen. It has SPF 50, antioxidants, concentrated serum, and I think I already threw away the bags, or maybe not. Either way, let's apply it. So it comes in a tube. While you open it, it has a little squeezy thing, and let me show you the texture of it. It glides smoothly, it feels light. Okay, let me use my sponge, and I'm gonna apply to half of my face so we can see the difference. And if you see me looking down, it's because I have mirror. Let me apply some more. Okay, you can already see the difference. For this side it's more even, while this one it still have redness and discoloration, but let me blend a little bit more. Alright, I have the foundation on half of my face, and you can see the difference. It doesn't give you, let's say, a full coverage, maybe it's like a medium, but I'm sure you can build it up, but you do getting that nice, let's say, afterglow. Okay, let me even up, and I'm gonna apply to the other half of my face as well. I have foundation all over my face. I'm gonna apply the rest of my makeup and then show you how it looks. On my face I have the foundation. I'm gonna follow up with a little bit of a concealer. Now, because I put the foundation underneath my eyes, I'm not gonna put too much of a concealer, but at least you can see, let's say, how it works. The concealer, it's hydrating, so you want to make sure you're gonna set it up with a powder. Here we go. And also I can use it as a eye primer as well. Just tap it, making sure it's there. Using the same sponge, I'm gonna apply my highlight, and what I'm using as a primer, what I'm using as a highlight, it's the Luminous Serum Tint in Rose. And let me just show you. Here we go. It's like a glowy, let's say shiny afterglow. Yep. So yes, I'm gonna put this into upper of my cheeks. One cheek done. Now let's go for the second one. I'm gonna curl my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now just side note, their Infallible Eye Pencil are wonderful. It's one of those things which is the product, it's really creamy. You're gonna have no issue applying it, but it stays. So the black one you can either use on your lash line or on the waterline. This one, if you wanna apply your eye, just put in your waterline. I mean your lower waterline. Okay, I don't have any eyeshadows, so I'm gonna use bronzer as an eyeshadow. That's the True Match Lumi bronzer, Sun Kiss bronzer for face and body. Okay, so yes, it has pretty sparkles and the design as well. Okay, let's apply it. Okay, so we're getting easy one eyeshadow look. I'm gonna apply a little bit of the eyeliner. Right now my eye, it looks more wide open. Let's do the same thing on the other one. I'm not gonna apply the black eyeliner on my upper waterline. I'm gonna go for the, what's the color? How do they call you? Come on. And there is no color. Either way, I'm gonna apply this shade in my lower waterline just to open the eye a little bit more. Now the eye looks a little bit more open. I'm gonna apply mascara. Where are you? Here we go. Pink package, so I think it's kind of self-explanatory. Few things which I don't have from the Age Perfect line is the eyeliner. I heard it's good, but I didn't purchase because I have many other black eyeliners to go through, and also a mascara, and I didn't purchase because of the same reason. I have a lot of mascara and a lot of eyeliners to go through, and afterwards I think I do have everything else. Anyway, let's just move on with the next product. That's the Brow Stylist Boost and Sets Volumizing Brow Mascara. Lancome, they have similar one. What is it? Okay, let me just clean up the brush for you. If you look at the brush, it looks familiar to the one which is found in the Lancome product. And that's not a surprise because Lancome is owned by L'Oreal, so it's only a matter of time when the technology is gonna trickle down to the other companies. But anyway, let's just move on to the blush. So I already have this one previously. That's the Age Perfect Radiant Satin Blush in Rosewood. But because I like the formula so much, I decided to pick up a new shade. This one is Marigold. And yes, it looks kind of scary comparing to the other one. But because you don't need to apply a lot, I decided to take a risk and let's take a look. Or I should say, let's give it a try. Okay. Alright, this one it's more pigmented than the other one, but you can still make it work. Yeah, I will just have to be careful with how much I'm gonna put on the brush, but otherwise, yeah, it is a wearable color. Okay, I have few things left. So we got powder and some lip products. Alright, we apply the powder. That's the creamy powder foundation. It's up to you if you wanna dust lightly or if you wanna put a little bit more. Since I have the bronzer, I'm gonna apply it as well. Okay, so it's almost that nice summer look. Here we go. But talking about the summer, now before I'm gonna move to the summer, so I have two items from the Age Perfect line. First is the anti-feathering lip liner in Bright Mocha. And then I have a lipstick in the same color, Bright Mocha. And Let me just show you something, because I didn't use it yet, so now we can easily check it out. It has a little, here we go, dot in the middle. Let's see the color. Okay, let me open up the liner. Okay, and then the liner. Oh, that's really creamy. So okay, so we got the liner and then the lipstick. All right, I give the 2 thumbs up for the liner. It's very smooth, it glides on, you will have no issue applying it. Now let me follow up with the lipstick. That's the combination of lip liner and lipstick. I would say it's more of a, not call it a vampy look, but if you like darker shades, this one can suit you. But because I already applied the bronzer, let's give a try for something else. In here I have the L'Oreal stick, that's their Glossy Balm in Innocent Coral. Okay, those are some bright lips. Now because I applied the bronzer, this, it's like a perfect combination for a summer look, so you can easily go with it. I'm not sure if they make them anymore, but if they don't, you can try their, how do you call this, Color Riche. That's like a gloss. Now obviously this one, it's not the same, but it comes in combinations, or I should say it comes in many different shades, so we can easily give it a go. Otherwise, this is my finished look using the L'Oreal products. Hopefully you got some, I would say, overview of the items, and if something, I see you next video. Bye.